Hi everyone. So for this one I'm going to make a couple of tiny gift boxes, and I'm using the Lawn Fawn tiny gift box add-on dies, and this is the bat, and you can actually create those two little bats in the top left there, one with the wings out and one without. This box that I've got here is actually an SVG cut file that I got from I can't remember if this was a free download. It might have been a free download, I'm not sure, but otherwise I always go to mostly to like Laurie Whitlock, or now there's another one called, I think it's called Dreaming, something like that. Anyway, and they have some great files there that you can get, and they're really inexpensive. So I'm just putting these boxes together. Now these boxes, for whatever reason, probably because I'm not high techie, I couldn't get them to, I couldn't size them to fit the little, these little guys. So you're going to see they are going to, they're going to stick out a little bit on the edges of the actual little bats. So here I'm just on that tab, I've just put some tape and then just folded it over to start creating the box. And then this actually has little tabs that you can just tuck in to form the bottom of the box, and that's the little lid there. So these would be great if you want to make, you know, like 24 of these and create like a tree shape. You could easily do that for Christmas as well as a little advent, with all the little boxes that you can open with little gifty things inside, or chocolates. So you could do a Halloween one, I guess you could do that as well. So again, I'm just showing you how to put the box together, and it goes together really, really well. Hindsight, I think I may have put the bottom together slightly wrong, but it goes together, it's fine. So where the opening is, that's actually going to be the back of the box, and then we're just going to stick these little guys on the front. So as you can see, the box is a little higher than the actual bats, but in hindsight, for me, this actually worked out a little bit better because I have some washi tape on the back of their ears, and I actually put some pink pieces of cardstock in there so that their ears were closed, whereas I think normally they would just be open if you have the little tiny treat box from Lawn Fawn. So for me, this actually worked out pretty good because, you know, you got these little pink ears. But if you had the Lawn Fawn's, the tiny gift box, if you actually had that die, then the little ears stick up over the top. So there'd be a way around that, to put another piece of cardstock behind it or something like that. There'd be a way to fix that. But for me, this was just the easiest thing. And I love this guy because he's got little wings and feet. I think he's so cute. So he's going on there. So his ears stick out a little bit more, obviously because of his feet. Otherwise the box wouldn't lay flat. But I just thought these were the sweetest little things, and I'm so pleased that I've got, although not many, but one of the tiny gift box add-ons. And that's it. They make great little treat boxes. You can put a little truffle in there or something like that, something a bit special for like Christmas or Halloween or something. And that's as quick and easy as it gets. So I hope you've enjoyed this. It's a very quick video for me. I hope you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That lets YouTube know that you like, that you want to see more from me, and it also lets me know that you like what you see. So I will see you in the next one, guys. Happy Halloween. Bye.